Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI Power, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down, tap on System and select Language as an input. Then Virtual Keyboard and currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click Next, adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, you can tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them and click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!